Have you ever listened to a melody and thought, why does this sound so epic and mine doesn't? What if I told you that epic melodies are not about playing fast and not about playing complicated stuff, but about how you shape a few simple notes? In this video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful techniques that will instantly help you create epic melodies on the piano. So, let me first play a short example. Alright, let's get into the first 3 techniques. Look at the on-screen hints. By the way, I've put together a free PDF called 10 Tips for Piano Improvisation. You can download it in the link in the description. It will give you even more ideas to practice. If you like the backing track you just heard, you can download it for free in the description. I highly recommend you use it to practice the techniques from this video. Okay, let's get into the next 3 techniques. Again, look at the on-screen hints. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more piano improvisation tutorials. Make sure to check out the free backing track and the free PDF download in the description. And in the next video we'll talk about something just as important: how to create epic left-hand accompaniments that really support your melody.